Bodybuilding tips for beginners. Hello to all the fitness freaks out there. Having a shredded muscular body that looks good is a dream for a lot of us out there. We sacrifice our daily routines and go to the gym to achieve the fitness level that we desire. But a lot of us go without properly researching the crucial elements of bodybuilding, mainly because we're too occupied to go through tons of information. Well, worry no more. We bring you a precise guide right now with tips and tricks that'll put us, beginners, on the right track out there. Remember, exercise is a vital aspect of life without which our bodies get prone to a lot of diseases and weaknesses. Being cautious. Always stay cautious. Proceeding with caution is one of the most crucial things in the bodybuilding universe. Part of being cautious includes protecting your body from damage. Make sure you always have a lower back belt on while you're lifting. Understand the correct form of exercise. Initially, you'll feel tempted to lift as much weight as you can, but remember, you need to start with lower weights and gradually make your way to the top constantly, analyzing your performance to ensure that you're not damaging your body whilst you exercise. Remember, we're here to make our bodies healthy, not further deteriorate them. Control your food intake. Remember, there's no point in training if you're not giving your body the right nutrients to grow on. Avoid junk food at all costs. Increase your protein consumption and eat lots of foods and vegetables to keep your body healthy and going. Give your body proper rest. Your body needs rest to heal all the injuries and wear and tear caused by the workout. Make sure to take at least a day off in an entire week. It'll help you heal from soreness and any muscle injury. Compound movements. Initially, you might feel tempted to try out all the fancy exercises you find in magazines and the internet, but remember, it's essential to keep your basics intact. Always include the basics exercises in your schedule. Exercises like the squat, the deadlift, the barbell bench press, and the military shoulder press should not be missed from your routine. Do your cardio training after your lifting. Always do your weightlifting first and then go for your cardio. It ensures that you utilize all your strength in lifting. Stick to free weights. Getting attracted to the fancy machines and shiny equipment is absolutely normal, but you need to remember they will not help you build a solid foundation of muscle mass. Stick to dumbbells and barbells for developing your muscle, especially at initial stages. Importance of eating before and after workout. Controlling what you're eating has a huge impact on how well you're going to perform in your workout and how quickly you're going to recover after it. Maintain a proper diet pre and post-workout to ensure your body is getting all the right nutrients at the right time. Maintain a caloric surplus. Usually, it's recommended to not consume more calories than you burn each day, but in the case of bodybuilding, you need to consume more calories than you burn. Use a calorie counter to figure out your basal metabolic rate, BMR, and adjust it accordingly to how active you are. Live like an athlete. When you commit to a healthy lifestyle, it's necessary to take care of your body, and that includes refraining from things that can hurt it. Make sure to not adopt unhealthy habits like smoking, drinking, and drugs, etc., because they hamper your body's performance. Rest and recover. Bodybuilding without having a proper routine is useless. Like living a balanced life outside the gym is absolutely essential for maintaining a proper body. You must get the amount of sleep, because that is when your muscles grow. Bodybuilding takes determination and dedication. Stay committed to your routine and schedule. Be patient and keep working on yourself. Don't forget to share with us your experiences and comments down below. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.